What's going on, everyone? I'm here hanging up some plexiglass panels, getting ready to open up tomorrow night. Here it is. It's 12:18. Basically what I decided to do, these are 30 by 36 sheets. I think it's 30 by 36. So this is a spot they're gonna pass stuff around at in this little window here, but everything else I've just used this is eighth inch thick acrylic plexiglass, whatever you want to call it. I just hung these chains with triple grip anchors, and then just use these little brackets. I'm gonna clean this up and take take that off there. Anyway, got it all. I used to use pipe insulation here with a little hot glue, and just wrap the corners up, the edges. You know, nobody's gonna get stuck, poked or prodded. Over here, got it set up. Good to go. Protecting everybody, got everybody feeling good, looking good. And then over here in this area, these chains hanging down. Got it, they're 25.5 inches apart. I've already pre-drilled all my holes the same distance. And for this screen, I use three of these plates, each seam, just to give it a little more rigidity. I just learned from making that one over there. It doesn't have a whole, I mean, it's okay, but it's not as rigid as I was hoping it would be. So I added another washer to the back of all of these here, and tighten it down with a nut just to give it a little more strength. But the middle is not all that great. But anyway, it's just serving its purpose. So anyway, just wanted to give you guys a quick little rundown. I'm sure you're seeing your fair share of these as you're going out and about doing your thing. But this is my struggle with mine right now. So just I gotta go to another location and do the same thing there. Hope you're staying safe out there. Peace.